Choosing paint for exterior house painting will not make your home ember-proof, but it can be part of a broader wildfire resilience strategy. Paint itself rarely changes a material from combustible to non-combustible, so prioritize non-combustible cladding where possible and follow your local building code for fire retardant treatments on exposed wood. When you must paint wood, use water-based or intumescent paints, specifically labeled for fire performance, and follow the manufacturer application rates and cure times to achieve any listed rating. Seal gaps around eaves, decks, and vents with high-temperature sealants, and install ember-resistant vent covers to prevent embers entering voids behind painted surfaces. Maintain defensible space by keeping vegetation trimmed to recommended clearances, removing loose bark and debris from gutters and roofs, and using spark-resistant landscaping like rock mulch near vulnerable facades. For retrofit projects, inspect and upgrade roof edges, soffits, and underfloor voids before painting, since these construction details determine ember pathways more than the paint film. Keep a maintenance schedule to reapply protective coatings and replace degraded wood, rather than relying on paint alone as a fire mitigation measure. Homeowners commonly assume that switching to a darker or high-gloss paint will improve fire performance, but color and sheen do not affect combustibility and can give a false sense of security, so focus on material choices and detailing instead. Another frequent issue is neglecting vents and gaps. Install ember-resistant vents and seal gaps around penetrations in the roofline to stop ember intrusion. A third problem is complacency about landscaping and debris management. Create and maintain defensible space and clean gutters and roof valleys regularly to reduce fuel for embers. Each of these is straightforward to fix with the right sequence. Prioritize structural upgrades, add proper venting and seals, and commit to ongoing vegetation and debris control. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to wildfire, resilient exterior house painting, and other home safety projects. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share field experience, contractor recommendations, and practical tips for implementing ember-resistant measures.